Hi, I'm James Larson with Artisan Adventures. We'll take a look at how I finished this teak bowl and turned it into a planter. But first, let's check out my workshop in my garage. It's about 16 by 16 feet with a plastic dome to keep the heat in and the sawdust out of the rest of the garage. Here's my chop saw and work desk surrounded by boxes of driftwood, all of it cut, cleaned, and sorted. Many of my hand tools and small power tools are on the racks, and my Dremels and accessories are to the right of the work table. I have a small electric heater to help me get through these cold Montana winters. I'm using an electric sander to work on the teak bowl, and you can see my belt sander and dust collector vent, which really helps to keep the workspace clean. Like many of you, I simply don't have the space or the resources to build a real workshop. This area, however, has allowed me to use my skills and imagination to create some unique projects, which I'll show a bit later in this video. But right now, here's the finished teak bowl with 4 coats of satin varnish. Inside I placed a round graphite pot with a clay drip dish. The planter contains a 2-year-old lemon seedling, which I started from a Costco lemon, a zebra plant, and golden sedum, which is currently flowering. I bought the teak bowl at Goodwill for $4, and with just a little sanding and varnish gave it a lustrous new finish. Here are a few of my recent projects, all of them small plant displays. For most of the displays I utilize air plants, tillandsia, which are fascinating plants with no need for pots. Whether it's artisan plant displays or any artistic pursuit, you should make a decision to let your creativity shine. You need very little money to start, and if there's anything you don't know how to do, you can find out right here on YouTube how to do it. You are an artist, and it's about time you accepted that fact. I'm James Larson with Artisan Adventures, and I'll be seeing you soon with my next video.